Youth League, the ANC Youth League, viva! Viva! Viva the ANC Youth League, the ANC Youth League, viva! Viva! Uzoyithola kanjani? Telekonene. Away with unemployment, away! Away! Away with corruption, away! Away! Away with lazy diplomacy. Away! Away with illegal foreigners, away! Away! Forward to free education for all, forward! Forward to employment of the youth, forward! Forward! Manja! Niyabesabana! Hayi, asibasabi, siyabafuna! Niyabesabana! Hayi, asibasabi, siyabafuna! Thank you very much, Comrade Wesley, the National Executive Committee member of the ANC Youth League, the provincial leadership of the Youth League, the regional leadership of the Youth League, branches of the ANC Youth League in eThekwini, sithi ma comrade, sikhathele idlala. Today I did not come here to speak many speeches. We came here to tell you that as the Youth League of the ANC, NEC that we have elected, we have declared unemployment a disaster in South Africa. We are saying to President Ramaphosa, the same way you reacted to COVID-19 is the same way you must react to unemployment. We are saying it's an urgent matter. We are saying that when you are unemployed, you can't even date. Hakuna muntu unemployed ungajola. This kind of stripped. Because if more than 60% of the youth are unemployed, it means young people in South Africa have lost dignity. Now we're saying that this year, unlike many years where we used to organize our anniversaries in rallies in stadiums, we said this year we're organizing a march, a national march against unemployment to the Union Building. When we're done the Union Building, we're going to Johannesburg Stock Exchange, because we're saying that everyone must participate to make sure that the youth of this country is restored its dignity. Because Mama Sebezi, you'll go to drugs. Mama Sebezi, you'll go to crime. I was saying that if you want to end drugs and crime in this country, the first thing that you must do is to end the unemployment of the youth in this country. We're saying that the jobs that are done by illegal foreigners, we're saying all illegal foreigners must leave this country immediately. If Home Affairs and the police can't do the job, we'll do the job for them. Anyone that's illegal can't be in this country. This country is not a banana republic. Anyone who wants to come to Africa must come through the legal routes. Sizwile, bathi nina anifuni ukusebenza emafemini nasema-restaurant. We know it's a lie. We know that those jobs are given to illegal foreigners because business is able to exploit them. They know they can't complain about their rights because they're in the country illegally. Yeah. Now when we're saying that illegal foreigners must leave, we're also protecting them from capital who wants to exploit them because they're illegal in this country. We're saying that tomorrow, the youth here must wake up, go to the nearest factory, nearest restaurant, nearest municipal offices, and start working. If you wait for them to invite you, you will not get a job. The Youth League here must move together with Home Affairs. Go to every restaurant, every shop. If you find an illegal foreigner, you remove them and start working. If you find you remove them and start working. You can't have unemployment in South Africa when there are people who are working illegally in this country. One day this port here must not be a museum. You can't have the biggest port in the eThekwini that is operating, bringing goods in and out of this country, but of unemployment. Who are these people who are working there if it's not yourselves? We're saying on urgent basis, the municipality of eThekwini and the provincial government of KZN must urgently go there and assess and create opportunities for the youth. We have resolved also the Youth League that not more than 70% of our raw materials must leave this country. We're saying these raw materials must remain here to revive the secondary industries of this country. Factories can be closed when raw materials go to Europe to create employment for Europeans who have no raw materials. While those who are blessed with raw materials are unemployed, but those who have no raw materials are employed. We're saying that the factories that are closed must urgently be opened. The raw materials must move from the soil straight to the factory, create employment and business opportunities for South Africans. When they are done, move to shops owned by South Africans and create jobs for them there. Because these raw materials are put here by God so that South Africans and Africans benefit from them. It is not by mistake that in Europe and many other corners of the world, there is no raw materials that are here. It's because these raw materials, they are created by God on purpose, because Africans are God, people of God. Now, we can't suffer because of those who are not chosen. We are the chosen one. The chosen ones must benefit. Enough is enough that a continent full of raw materials is a face of poverty. Anyone who wants to see poverty comes to Africa. A country that must be blessed, where everyone must be rich, everyone must be operating and working. If we can use all our raw materials, no one here will be unemployed. City, yegala mugwala. Besingekho thina eCodesa. Hawo baseCodesa bashonile. Ningasitsheli ngamaXhosa aseCodesa asiwalandeli thina. Thina sithi ikhoba freedom now but not later. Our Youth League is not a Youth League of many speeches. We are a Youth League of action and clean up. With action and clean up. We are saying that all those hijacked buildings, hijacked by foreigners, when our people are displaced, taken forward settlements, we are saying that if the police system does not act, if the city does not act, if Home Affairs does not act, we are going to clean them up. Because we can't say that there's not enough residential places for students. But we've got hijacked buildings here, hijacked by illegal foreigners for drugs and many other things. We're saying this building must be cleaned up and students must immediately move in and have access to those buildings so that they're able to be safe in those buildings. Now, enough is enough. It's Katso Kuluma's telling. South Africans have shown us that if you don't resolve inkinga zabo zesizwe, ngeke bayivotele African National Congress. And thina lana asifuni ukuthatha umbutho wabantu ofayo orejectwa abantu. Sithi njenge generation of 1944 sizoma ngeenyawo sithi enough is enough. Even abantu abadala bacabanga ukuthi bahlele ema-ofisini baphuza amatiye kuphelile lokho. We're saying that we're coming for everything, including their offices, because they have proven they failed. We're at 40% today because the people of South Africa in poverty, the people of South Africa in the women's settlement, the people of South Africa on the water, the people of South Africa are unemployed, others can't access education, there's high level of crime, there's just too many problems. Now, abantu bayathanda ANC. Abayanga bayavotela in opposition party. But ANC, this time around, as the pool in numbers, going to vote for Kalemakhaya, as a protest with our votes that if you don't change your ways, the next elections will vote you out of power. Now, Tina, because for the future of the ANC, we've got the warning. Abangayitholanga warning, futhi hayi sebaDakotela bayiphuzile. Ngoba thina sibonile warning ukuthi in our lifetime the ANC ihleli ku 40%. In our lifetime the ANC eNatal ihleli at 17 or 14%. Now, unzima comrades, akusafani nayizolo. Now our conduct and behavior must change. We must go back and be activists in our structures. Siyeke ukulwela ama-branch ukukhetha bani akukhethi bani. Ngoba la branch wena akumedi. I-MK ifikile yasebenza amavolontiya wenu, yalukudla kwenu, yahamba yawina i-MK. Ama-resources wenu. You could not see those things because you are not strong in the branches. Belihleli nabantu labathi ANC ngama-MK nibhizi ekusilo lana anandlezane niyekela into important yokugada umbutho wenu othothwa yigebengu. Siyamazwa aseNkandla isigebengu esikhulu asaphatha lesigebengu. Now lesigebengu lesi siyayazi ANC wayiphatha for many years. Uyanazi noma njani nophatha njani. Akekho umuntu ozobulala i-ANC ongayazi i-ANC. I-ANC izobulawa abantu abayaziyo. Nesigebengu saseNkandla siyayazi i-ANC. That's why ukwazile ukungena wanimoshela nabayinkinge lelo manje. Now urgently you must go back to basics. Whenever the ANC is under attack or under siege, is the youth league that stands up and take over the ANC. Now, ngiyakwazi ukuthi awekho ama-branch we-ANC angisho KZN. Ningabuzi, hambani nina nibe ama-branch we-ANC. Into yakho, makubona branch ye-ANC, i-youth league iba yi-branch ye-ANC. Now, comrades, siyezwa bathi kune-city manager la engafuna ukuphuma.
Siyagena.
Nyabesaba na.
Hayi, asibasabi, siyabafuna.
Nyabesaba na.
Hayi, asibasabi, siyabafuna.
Comrades, it is clear that Nombutho ka-Alton Lembethe usaphila. Tomorrow the Youth League is celebrating 8 years of existence. Akusombutho wayizola wa-popcorn lo. Umbutho ka-Nelson Mandela, ka-Oliver Tambo, ka-Nkomo, ka-Peter Mkaba, and many other leaders that have came before us. Now we must go back and revive our structure. Zonika unobhala usihlalo la afunde i-memorandum bese ahande over kulo responsible. Asifuna ukuzwa bathi ama-department we-government anama-vacancy when the youth is unemployed. You were supposed to have came here with your CVs. When you live here, you leave the city manager with all your CVs. Because kunama rumors ukuthi i-youth eSouth Africa ifundanga. Important. That's why CV. Babonise ukuthi i-youth ifundile eSouth Africa. Ifuna abantu kule bhilidi abakwazi ukwenza umsebenzi abaphume i-youth efundile ingene. Ngoba ikhona i-capacity la kule youth. Now sizonika u-coordinator, u-convener, wagcina u-coordinator. Sizonika u-convener futhi memorandum.